Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel. In the following video I wanted to talk to you about the Delta Executor. So Delta Executor, with it you can execute different scripts in Roblox, and it's something that I can highly recommend any Roblox enthusiast use. So currently you can also use it on Android and iOS. So first things first, in order to start using Delta Executor, go to your settings, scroll down, head over to apps and search for App Store. Okay, then go all the way down and make sure that the offload unused apps is turned off. This is key. After you've done this, search for Safari, then go all the way down, go to advanced and make sure that the JavaScript is turned on. This is important. Okay guys, so now open up your browser and type in tweakmate.com. Okay guys, so tweakmate.com, and now once you're here, use the search bar and type in Delta, and you will see right here Delta Executor for Roblox. Press on it. Now press install and it will start installing this app on your iOS or Android, depending on what you are using. And guys, I cannot vouch enough for TweakMate. They've been nothing short of great at providing different tweaked apps which are not available on the App Store. And the best part is that so far none of them have been revoked, which is a huge plus. Okay, so let's give it a few more seconds here. Okay, now press allow, close. Go back to your settings. Then head over to General, VPN and Device Management, and you will see right here Delta Executor. Press install, type in your passcode, and voila guys, now you will have it on your home screen. What you need to do right now guys is open up the app, and then you will be redirected to a page with a list of offers. Make sure that you follow the instructions correctly and complete at least 3 offers. Some of them are apps, some of them are offers, but do make sure that you follow the instructions correctly for each and every one of them. I've already done this and it took me like a couple of minutes. After this, just restart your phone and then you should be able to use Delta Executor for Roblox. You can also use TweakMate to get the scripts directly, and I can highly recommend TweakMate for doing that. You can find scripts such as 99 Nights in the Forest, Blocks Fruits, and a bunch of others. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys very soon again with another banger video. Peace.